Hello. Welcome to another Dynamic Do-It-Yourself video. And today with
Tankmanjoe.
We're doing a tasty finds, and we are going to sample and review Trader Joe's lemon Baton wafer cookies. You know how many years of French? I gotta use it. Baton.
Baton garçon.
Okay, sorry. All right, anyway, before we get started, you know, mash up those likes, give us a thumbs up. I know that's asking a lot out of you to hit that thumbs up button because you're not sure if you're going to like this video, but that's all right. Hey, what do you have to lose? Ooh, who said that? What do you have to lose? The world is on fire. People dying in the streets. Wait a minute. I'm sorry. This is supposed to be a tasty find, but I gotta be real right now.
Wait. Before you're going to be real right now, like this video.
You're at home, you want some entertainment, and you want to know, hey, I've seen those lemon Baton wafer cookies, and I want to know what it tastes like. So we're gonna do it. So hit that thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel. We have a lot of great stuff on here, you know, and you know, we love our fans, our followers, our subscribers. So we're gonna keep it real. All right, these lemon Baton wafer cookies is delicate. I'm sorry, my mind has been bumped with the Dio reference. Dio! My head's been cut off, but I can still talk for 20 minutes. Yeah, we love that anime. Anyway, These lemon Baton wafer cookies, they're delicate rolled wafers filled with lemon flavored cream. So apparently you can see here, they're really pushing the whole lemon thing. Two pieces equals a serving, and there are 6 servings in here. It's 120 calories, 6 grams of total fat, 0 trans fat, which is great, 2 grams of protein. I wouldn't recommend you eating this and thinking you're getting yourself some protein for the weights you're lifting at home. Wheat flour and blah 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 blah. Okay, well anyway, so you can see that this is what we got. We have tried, I'll put a link up above here, and so you can see the other Baton cookies we've tried.
Cocoa Baton.
Yeah, the cocoa Baton. Didn't we try another one? Wasn't there a vanilla one we tried?
I think so.
Oh, I don't want to mess up my nails.
Oh, geez.
So you open that up. Thank you. Ladies, if you're out there.
Well, darn, we need some scissors or something, because they're going to make sure you can't get into these batons. Where's
The scissors. Oh, come on now. It's in the microwave. All right, so we're going to cut this. All right. Oops. Good Lord, man.
I can't sit down.
Jojo! Speedwagon! If you haven't watched this stuff, you could watch it on Netflix. I'm telling you, this quarantine really got you watching new stuff. All right, you ready to taste this?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Just what I thought. Okay, on a scale of 1 to 4, 4 meaning I'll get this again for my personal consumption, definitely. A 1 meaning I will give this a hard pass. I would give these an honestly earned 2. Oh, you want to know why? Okay. I give this a 2 because there's nothing wrong with it. But if I have a choice of flavors of cookies like this, I wouldn't go for lemon. I like vanilla. I like chocolate, hazelnut, lemon. I could see this as a nice summer cookie, but I wouldn't personally get this for myself. What would you do?
Oh, I give these a 3.
Okay, why?
I like the lemon flavor in it, right? And I like the cocoa baton and those ones, right? But this lemon just enhances it 20 levels. So
Okay.
good.
Okay. Well, there you have it. So I guess if we're in the store and he sees it and he wants it, I'll pick it up for him. But for my own personal consumption, these things could probably sit on the counter and I would not reach for them.
For 72 hours?
For 72 hours, yeah, I could do it. I could do it for a whole week. I could do it for a whole month. They're just not calling my name. Okay, but anyway, they're not bad. It tastes really nice. I mean, the wafer is really good. It's just a personal preference. I'm not running for lemon cookies. Okay, so anyway, on that note, anything else to say?
No.
Okay.
Well, yes. Make sure to like this video.
Okay.
Like this video, or Gita Rocker might knock at your door. Might, just a might.
I thought we were talking about Dio and JoJo.
Yeah, now Hunter x Hunter.
Oh, goodness. Okay, well, there we go. All right, on that note, until next time.